I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify without a subscription. You can start by signing up for Shopify's free trial, which typically lasts for a few days or weeks. This allows you to build your store, add products, and explore all the platform's features without any financial commitment. It's a great way to test the waters and see if Shopify fits your business needs before subscribing. Once your free trial concludes, you'll need to select a paid plan to continue selling online. However, if you're not ready, Shopify offers a pause and build plan for a small monthly fee, typically $9. This keeps your store active but inaccessible to customers, allowing you to continue working on it without a full subscription. You can reactivate your full store anytime. You can also leverage Shopify's tools without a full online store subscription. Consider using Shopify Buy buttons to embed products on your existing website or blog. Additionally, integrate Shopify with social media channels like Facebook or Instagram to sell directly to your audience. For physical sales, Shopify POS Lite allows you to process in-person transactions efficiently. Even if you decide not to continue with a full subscription, your store data isn't lost. Shopify allows you to export all your product, customer, and order information. Should you choose to cancel, your store data remains accessible for a period, making it simple to reactivate your store later if your business needs change. This ensures your hard work is preserved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.